alive, and that we made it this far, this far, this far, this far, this far, this far. Sitting in this brand new car with my day ones, and we sing along to our new fucking smash through the dash, through the ceiling light. It feels like everything is alright. Let's hit the club, fuck it up, and celebrate that we never stop believing in ourselves, believing in our dream. We saw the vision when nobody else did. So now we in a foreign city, in a foreign world, riding through the night, yeah. What a beautiful sight, yeah, yeah.